I wanted to show this. My phone was showing a notification that I had a software update. So you see software update here. We're going to press that, install 2022.8.3. Takes about 25 minutes. We'll push that. It says it'll take 25 minutes and you won't be able to drive or use the screen, and your car alarm will be or may be disarmed for a short duration. Alright, so we'll say yes. It's probably not going to work, but let's see. Okay, you see scheduled at the bottom here, scheduled software update failed, please disable sentry mode. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to security here, sentry mode, we're going to turn that off. Okay, turn that off. We'll go back into here, software update, we'll press it again, and it should go. So there you go, it's saying that the software update is about to begin. You can cancel update or whatever. Oops. And yeah, so here you can see you have a minute and whatever, 2 minutes to cancel it. And yeah, they should have a thing where you can just say start immediately. But anyways, there you can see it's going to do that, and then I'll be back when the update's done to kind of show you guys what was changed. Alright, see you guys in a bit. Alright, so here you can see 2022 8.3 finished. And here you can see what is upgraded. Cabin camera. Help Tesla improve the intelligence of features that rely on cabin camera by sharing analytics from your vehicle. Alright, so basically the data will be shared by to Tesla. So if it sees anything wrong in a collision, you can read all of that. Alright. Helps them develop better safety stuff. So let me see. You can adjust it. Okay, it scrolls up. Oops. Oh, that goes to the second one. So you go to controls, software, data sharing, allow cabin camera. I don't know where you go for that. I mean, I'll allow it, but let's see. Cabin camera images and video clips will not be associated with your VIN to protect your privacy. Okay, next thing, charging time estimation. So now charging time is more accurate. Alright, it takes into account the current battery temperature and stuff. Okay, next thing, vehicle preconditioning. Alright, in the app, it will stay there for 30 minutes after the doors opened. Alright, and active phone calls. Okay, you can now hide the call card. Alright, that's good. I was waiting for that. And then you tap the phone thing to bring it back down there. Okay. New language support. So now they have check. And Boombox features are only available while parked. So they turned off Boombox features while you're driving. Alright, so not much new there. Let me see, how do we get to this again? Software controls, software data sharing. How do you get to that? Oh, software. Okay, additional vehicle. Where's the data sharing? Here we go, data sharing. Do you agree? Yes. Okay. Oh, they have all this stuff. So, alright. I'll let them. Which one is this? Improve intelligence. Sure, that's the cabin camera one, I think. Okay, and I think the rest I already put yes. In order for certain features in your vehicle to work, such as real-time traffic. Okay, submit. So the cabin camera thing, I've noticed, if it thinks you're looking away from the road, it'll warn you of like going over the lines, that like things like that, crossing into other lanes. But if it detects that you're looking and paying attention, then it doesn't alert you and it lets you drive over the line. So at least it's not 100% all the time, but it seems like that's what happens. So the cabin camera is on. Let me see if I can... Oh, it doesn't show in my camera. In some people's cameras, you can actually, do I have to have it in drive? Oh, there you go. So you can see there's infrared lights here. You can't actually see those lights with your naked eye, but in the camera, it picks up the infrared light. So you can actually see that they actually have infrared light, so it can see at night. But But yeah, so if I put it into park mode, oh, actually it is in park mode. Okay, so if I put it in park and then I lock the doors, it's still on. Interesting. So how long do the cabin cameras actually stay on? So you can actually tell if the cabin cameras are on and if it's recording by using your phone and seeing if the infrared lights are on. You can see they're on. And I'm not sure how long they stay on. I put the car in park. I'll lock the door. It's still on. So yeah, if you want to know if the car is watching you, that's how you can know. I don't care. They can watch. Alright, and that's all the stuff, I guess. Didn't really see anything else in here. Autopilot, I still don't have the beta thing. But my safety score is gone, so I don't know what's up with that. Like, it doesn't give me it anymore. I mean, I have a 99%, so... Okay, you can see the cameras are still on. So, I don't know how long it stays on for. I don't know. Maybe when it detects you're not in the car anymore. But, yeah. Let me get out and see if you can actually see the lights on through the glass. Okay, you can see, I don't see them on right now. Or maybe you just can't see it through the glass. No? Okay, so it looks like it's off. And if I sit in here again... Oops, sorry, I'm zoomed in too much. If I sit in here, you can see it's still off. But if I push the brake pedal, it turns on. Interesting. So if I put it back in park and I get my butt up and I act like I got out, yep, then it turns off. But if you keep your butt in, so I was lifting my butt off the chair, if I push the brake pedal, if I leave my butt on, so I'm going to put it in park, I'm going to open the door and close it, it stays on. But if I get my butt off the table or the chair and then open the door, there you go. So if you want to turn off the cabin camera, that's how you do it. Lift your butt off the seat, open the door and shut it, and that turns the in-cabin cameras off, or at least the infrared lights. I don't know if the camera's still on. Anyways, that's pretty much it. It's actually much darker than that right now, but my camera makes it so you can actually see in the dark a lot better. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.